Welcome, everyone. Today, we're swooping into the world of web scraping to extract significant features from the Spotify website for an in-depth study. To do this, we'll be using the Spotify library along with some basic Python libraries. Our journey begins by importing essential libraries. Make sure to have Spotify installed, as it will be our key to interacting with the Spotify API. We'll also need some basic libraries for data manipulation and analysis. Now, head over to the Spotify developer dashboard and create a new project. This will provide us with the credentials needed to fetch data from the Spotify website. Extract the client_ID and client_secret from your project and include them in your code. Once you've got your credentials, integrate them into your code. This will authenticate your requests and allow you to access Spotify's API. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, extracting data. We'll go through the step-by-step process of extracting valuable data. From albums to track numbers, we'll gather information that's essential for our study. Be sure to follow along and customize the data extraction based on your specific needs. With the extracted data in hand, let's organize it into a structured format using a data frame. Pandas will be our go-to tool for this task. We'll then save our data frame as a CSV file for easy access and further analysis. Now that we have our data, let's dive into some analysis. We'll generate a heat map to visualize patterns and trends. We'll also create plots that provide insights into the music landscape we've just scraped from Spotify's vast library, and there you have it. A complete guide on web scraping Spotify using Spotify, extracting important data, and performing insightful analysis. Feel free to explore further and tailor these techniques to your specific interests. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy coding.